Hey, how is everyone doing today? Let me get this camera where it's supposed to be. There we go. All right, I'm Mr. Short. You're here for Eureka Math Squared, second grade Module 4, Lesson 6. You guys have been doing a great job for me. Keep helping me out with those subscribers. Numbers are jumping, and I really appreciate it. Let's get it going. You got a friend at another school? Tell them about it. Help them with their math. You can help them with their math by telling them about my YouTube channel. All right, let's get going today. We're going to lesson 6 on pages 33 and 34. Add, show how you know. So we have 160 plus 90. I don't know what's going on with the camera. I apologize. I thought we'd be good today. Let's try this. See if that helps. All right, 160 plus 90. Well, I want to make nice, easy, round numbers. Okay? So if I have 160 and I want to add 90, 90 is close to a nice round number. What nice round? I know 90 is a round number, but what's the next nice round number we're close to? Maybe a number that has 2 zeros in it and a 1 in front of it. Yeah, we're almost to 100. So I want to give 90 10, so now it's 100. But if I give 10 there, I have to take away 10 here. So if I do that, 160 minus 10, just count backwards 10, we get 150. And then I gave that 100 right here to 90, so I'm going to make that 100. So now I'm making sure I keep everything nice and neat, so we're in order. I have 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer is 250. Just by using the give-take. Remember, if you're going to give a little bit to one number, you have to take that same amount away from another number. All right? Let's try the next one. We have 290 plus 195. All right, now we have some choices here. We can add this to 5 to make this 200. If we add 5 here, which means we take 5 away from here. I don't think that's our nicest option. What I want to do is I want to add 10 here. I want to go plus 10, which means down here I have to go minus 10. All right? So if I add plus 10 to 290, what do I get? That's right, we get 300. Plus. Well, now I have to take away 10 down here. But the 10s column is a 9. So it's not, we can take 1 away from the 9, right? Because there's 0 there. So that's still going to be 5. We take 9 minus 1 is 8 and put the 1 here. Okay? So now we're adding. We got 0 and 5 is 5. 0 and 8 is 8. And 3 and 1 is 4. Now, I know this might seem like a little extra work, but it's making this easier. We don't have to carry numbers over. We're not using more fingers. We're getting some zeros here, which makes it easier for us to work with. All right, we'll do one more together, and then the last two you're going to be on your own. So let's see. Which one do we want to work with? We'll just go with number 3 and keep going. So we have 468. Oops, I forgot to write my answer here. 485. And make sure you have your first name, last name, class number out there to help your teacher out while I'm thinking about it. That drives us crazy. We're trying to figure out whose homework is whose. Mr. Short's class, I just throw it away. If you can't put your name on there, I can't check it. All right, back to our problem. 468 plus 290 plus 290. All right, here we are again. I want to get to make these some nice, round, easier to work with numbers. 468 is not a nice number. Like there's no zeros. 290 has a 0, which does make it a friendlier number. But can I get this to the next number with 2 zeros behind it? I can. I just add 10. I add 10 there. That means I have to minus 10 here. So let's do our takeaway first. So remember, we have 468. We're taking away 0 from the 1's place, only 1 from the 10's place. So if we're going to write that down, our 1's place is still going to be 8. Our tens place we're taking 1 away from. So instead of 6, we're going to have 5. And our hundredths we're not touching. Now we go down to our next number, 290, that we added 10 to. So if we're counting by tens, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. So 8, 5, 7. Right? 758. And don't let it mess you if it shows this backwards. You can just pretend it's flipped over. Wherever this equal sign is, you can read it this way as 290 plus 4688, or 758 equals this plus this. It's the same as these two, as the top two. They just show it a little different sometimes. I don't understand why they do it myself, but that's what they do. All right, you got the last two on your own. I helped a lot. Let's look on the back, and there is no back today. Nothing to do on the back. So you just have 2 more problems to do on your own, because I did the first 3 with you. Wow, I was being nice today. First 3 with you. All right, guys, that's it for Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, Module 4, Lesson 6, on page 33. I'm Mr. Short. I hope this helped you, and I hope you have a good night.